Hey Joe, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. This morning I spoke with Lindsay and she thought you would be very interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and generating more leads. So we are here on your website. You have a really nice looking website. And it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is going to be really important your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Um, so you do have a really great looking site. I love that you have all of these separate pages for each of your services. That's really, really critical. Let's see here. Looks like you serve Birmingham, Huntsville, and Montgomery and the surrounding areas. So I would recommend having separate service area pages for each of those cities. If they have search volume, you should really have a separate page so that you can capture that organic traffic. Okay, scrolling through here. I'm seeing some branding, but I'm not really seeing any relevant keywords. When it comes to ranking, unfortunately, your website design doesn't help with your ranking. It's actually content. Content is key, and you need a lot of it. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,500 words or more of content focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for on Google for your services right now. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the services that they need. And so that's what they're actually going to be Googling. And you do want to make sure you're focused on the local buyer intent keywords rather than national keywords or near me keywords. Because what will happen if you rank for those keywords is you'll get people from all over the country to your website that aren't going to convert into customers. And so the people that you want landing on your website to look for help in those services that you offer, you want to be able to convert them into customers. So you definitely want to make sure that you beef up your content here. You want to have more content than your top competitors, and you really want to focus on those local buyer intent keywords. And you want to make sure that all of your pages have their own original content with their own unique keywords that they're going after, because Google has robots that go and index each of these pages looking for that original content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers when they're searching for you. Now, one of your top competitors when it comes to waterproofing is exterior waterproofing. They have an okay website. Yours definitely is much nicer looking. They have the separate pages for their services. And just like you guys, they don't have a whole lot for content. And they don't have anything for any local keywords. So these guys should be very easy for you guys to outrank in just about every area, but you're going to have to work on that keyword and content strategy. And then make sure that you support your website with SEO, because a website without search engine optimization, it just isn't going to be found. So now if we look here, you have a rating of a 0.2 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that's 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. And while you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. So you do want to make sure that you're getting the highly authoritative backlinks that are directly related to your industry and making sure that they are do follows. But if we look here, only 16 of your links are do follows, which means only 16 out of all those backlinks are doing anything remotely to help your website. You have been indexed for over 358 keywords, and you are getting approximately 73 people to your website on average per month. But unfortunately, most of that traffic is actually national traffic. Um, you do have quite a few keywords that are on the home page. I'm sorry, first page of Google. But if we look at the pages that are driving the traffic, they're mostly national keywords. So you want to refocus your keyword strategy on the local keywords so that you can really drive that traffic. Blogging is great when done correctly, but unfortunately, your blog articles are not going to be what's converting the traffic into customers for you guys. So you definitely want to work on some of these strategies. If we look at your competitor, they also have a low score of a 4.4 with 154 backlinks and 33 referring domains. Out of that, only 17 are do follow. So you only have to beat their 17 referring domains in quality and quantity. They have only 52 keywords, but they're getting over 200 people on average to their website per month. And most of that is also national traffic. So you guys are both kind of missing the boat here on capturing that traffic so you can convert them into customers. So it's going to be really important that you optimize your website so you can capture the good local traffic and convert them into customers. And the last piece is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, which you guys are. But you want to be here for all of your relevant keywords and service areas. So if you're not in the top 3 for some of those, you're definitely going to want to optimize your page. And one of the most important aspects of that is going to be citations. And that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. But when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it helpful. I would really love to get your feedback on it. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.